Today is the first day I've seen my cat's family. That's my cat, a boy. That's one of his little babies. Here are the other ones. The mother is the black cat. It's hard to distinguish. And there's another one behind the fence. It's actually 3 babies. But I can't believe how close they've come. And I'm sure this is gonna be the one who's not afraid of anything. The daddy cat is making cat calls wherever he is. There he is looking for some other one.